Um, what I'm going to share to you is about linear equations or system of system of linear equation. So, background. An equation is a statement that two quantities are equal, and to solve an equation means to find the value of the unknown. May pasabot na. And the value of the unknown is called the root of the equation. Okay. Simple linear equations or equations of the first degree are those in which an unknown quantity is raised only to the power of 1. So mo ni ilhanan, pag linear equation gani, the highest power of the variable is 1. So for example, if you have this one, if 2x minus 6 equal to 0, ano lang, linear na siya, kaya ang power sa x, 1. So it's very simple. Just transpose 6 to the right side, it becomes positive. And then i-divide ang coefficient sa x nito, 6 over 2, and then you have x equal to 3. So, kung isara siya ka-equation involving only one variable, dali ra, no? I-transpose na nimo tong constant sa right side, and then kung unsa tong coefficient sa variable, i-divide na dayon nimo. And nana dayon kay value sa root. Okay, or sa unknown. Okay. So, however, when an equation contains two unknown quantities, it has many solutions. Di ba? Two quantities, x and y. So when two equations are available, connecting the same two unknown values, then a unique solution is possible. So kung nakay duha ka unknowns, and then you also have two equations, nice solution. Eh? Similarly, for three unknown quantities, it is necessary to have three equations in order to solve for a particular value of each of the unknown quantities, and so on. So, naka-underline na. So, dapat equal na siya. Kung pila ka bak imong unknowns, dapat mawag-ipon na imong number of equations. O kung dili siya, dili nimo ma-solve. Or either, na special case, kanang Diophantine, pero situation na siya. So, ang ato dire is, kung pila ka unknowns, most of that no equation. So, this discussion is limited only to three unknowns. Okay. Equations that have to be solved together to find the unique values of the unknown quantities, which are true for each of the equations, are called simultaneous equations. So, three methods of solving simultaneous equations analytically are by substitution, B by comparison, and C by elimination. Tulo lang i-discuss, no? You can also use determinants or matrices, no? Kramer's rule, or pwede po graphical, pero lisod man ang graphical. Pwede ra gyapon, no? Pero if you want a faster method, mamili lang ka ni tulo: substitution, comparison, or elimination. Sige, let us start with substitution. Sige. Solve for the following equations for x and y by substitution. So equation 1 and equation 2. So, the idea is, isolve nimo ang isa ka variable with respect to the other variable, and then i-substitute nimo sa ikaduhang equation. So in this case, neta, let us solve for x from equation 1. Dire, ma-solve na to ang x by transposing 2y to the right side. We have this. Ato dahil i-substitute, we will substitute this one sa equation 2. We have this. 4, and then substitute ang x. And then, single variable na, Okay. And then just simplify. Simplify meaning you remove the parenthesis, you distribute ang 4, you'll have negative 4 minus 8y minus 3y equals 18. And then combine like terms. So 4, you transpose the right side. And then combine 8 and 3. Will have this. And then, kana, y equals 22. You divide sa coefficient. And you'll have y equals negative 2. After this, you substitute ni mo ning y either sa 1 or 2. Okay. Let's choose equation 1. So substitute y equal to negative 2 into equation 1. X plus 2 times y equals negative 1. So you have this, and then transpose 4, and you have x equal to 3. Thus, or therefore, x equal to 3 and y equal to negative 2 is the solution to the simultaneous equations. So, yung ano ang idea sa substitution? Mag-solve kung isa ka variable in terms of the other variable and then substitute sa other equation. And then, once nga isa na naka-variable, you just simplify and then transpose other terms and then makuha na dayon nimo. Ganaan ara ka simple. The second method is comparison. So sa comparison, ang root word ani is compare. So pag mag-compare ta, ang buhatan na to is mag-solve tag x sa equation 1, mag-solve sa tag x sa equation 2. Dahil i-compare na to ang duha ka x. Ana ang buhatan, eh? Sige. So from equation 1, natay x na negative 1 minus 2y. For equation 2, ang x na to is we will transpose negative 3y sa right side that becomes positive and then i-divide na to by 4. Ayun na. And then i-compare na to this one equal to this one. So compare the two expressions, you have this. So to get rid of the denominator, we are going to multiply the whole equation by 4. And then distribute in 4 times negative 1, 4 times negative 2y. For the right side, makancel na 4 na. Eh, so nakainga na ni. 4 times negative 1, negative 4, 4 times negative 2y, and negative 8y. And sa right side, makancel na. And then combine like terms, 3y, you transpose sa left, negative 4, you transpose sa right. Nakainga na. And then you combine, and then same lang sa previous method, then y equals negative 2. So after this, substitution nga hapon. I-substitute na to. Ang method lang, comparison, substitution, or elimination, pag-solve lang na siya sa first variable. Pag-solve sa other variable, substitution na yan. So, substitute y equal to negative 2 into either equation 1 or 2 will give x equal 3 as in the previous method. So, ma-check na ninyo. Okay? The third method is elimination. Sa elimination, ang root word ni is eliminate. Eliminate, walaon na to ang isa ka variable. Diba? So, again, you have these equations. Ang buhaton nimo dapat pareha og coefficient ang variable. So kung gusto ka y imong eliminate, then saon nimo na ma-equal ang coefficient nila. So what you will do is i-multiply ning equation 1, i-multiply nimo 3 para mahimong 6. Tapos i-multiply din mo ni equation 2 og 2 para 2 times 3 6 hapon. Dapat parehasa nimo. Pero ang mas simple ani is kini, x. Kay 4 na madaan. So, we're going to multiply equation 1 by 4. Mapareha na sila. Diba? So, if equation 1 is multiplied throughout the whole equation by 4, the coefficient of x will be the same as in equation 2, giving, kana, ba? Sorry. Ang equation 1, multiply ito 4. 4 times x, 4x. 4 times 2y, 8y. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. This will be our equation 3, no? And then, okay. Subtracting equation 3 from equation 2 gives, okay. Now, if you will ask nga nung equation 3 from equation 2, pwede ra sad nga 2 or 3. Pwede na po, like subtracting equation 2 from 3, okay lang. Okay. So, just focus sa variable na same o coefficient. Now, pag same sila og sign, i-subtract. Because ang objective ani is i-0 eh. So, i-subtract. Pero kung opposite sila og sign, i-add nimo para ma-0 sa. But in this case, positive man po ang 4x, then i-subtract na to. So, ma-0 na. Negative 3 minus 8, you have negative 11y. And then 18 minus negative 4, that's positive 22. Same lang sa previous method, i-divide mo negative 11, you will have y equals negative 2. Oh. Di mag-matter kung asa mong subtract, either i-subtract 2 from 3, okay lang. Focus lang sa variable nga same o coefficient. And then, compare na yun ang sign. Ang same sign, i-subtract para ma-0. Pag opposite og sign, i-add para ma-0. Basta, ang always remember na ang purpose nimo is ma-0 ang variable. Kana lang. So, after solving for y, substitute na sad either sa 1 or 2, and you will have x equal to 3. Kana lang kan idea sa elimination. Just eliminate one variable. And then make sure nga same ang coefficient sa variable para ma-cancel. So, kanilang na method for two equations with two unknowns. Now, for three equations with three unknowns, the only method is elimination. And then once ma-solve na to ang isa ka variable, substitution na dayon. So, mamili ka. I-reduce nimo ang system to two variables by eliminating x, y, or z. Mag-eliminate ka, pili ka either x, y, or z. Sige. I am choosing z. So let's eliminate z. So, mag-eliminate si z, just combine two equations and eliminate z. Like this one. Combine ako ang 1 and 2. I will eliminate z. So, ang resulta, na ako equation nga x and y. And then, gamit sa dua ka equation, 2 or 3 ba? Or 1 or 3. Eliminate z again. And you will have another equation involving x and y. Katong duha ka equation na x and y, once ito i-combine mo, mag-eliminate sa ka og another variable. Same sa katong two equations, two unknowns ng elimination method. Inana lang. Okay? Sige, let's combine equation 1 and 2. So, focus on z. Eliminate equation 1 and 2. Para ma-equal ni, dapat i-multiply na to ang 1 og 3. Equation 1 para ma-3 og 3. Pareha sila. So, i-multiply na to. Ayan na. So, i-rewrite na to. Nga nanay 3, 3 times 2. Kana 6x plus 3y minus 3z equal to 9. And sa 2, as is lang. Oh, kana. And since pariha sa laog, opposite sa laog sign, i-add na to. Na. And then, cancel ne. And i-add it. 6 plus 1, 7, 3 plus negative 2, 1, 9 plus 1, 11. So this will be equation 4. And then, combine na pagka og duha na sad. So, 1 og 3 na sad. And then, focus again on z. So, para magpareha sila coefficient, i-multiply ang 1 og 2. Ba? Oh. And then, i-rewrite, nga nanay na-distribute na ito. You will have that one. And then, copy equation 3. And then, since opposite sa log sign, i-add nimo. And then 4 plus 4, you have 8, 2 plus negative 1, 1, 0, equal to 6. And this will be equation 5. So, i-combine na yun yung 4 o 5. So, for equations 4 and 5, eliminate one of their variables, either x or y. Pili lang ka. So, again, you have equation 4 and equation 5. So, by inspection or by looking at the two equations, mas dali kung atong i-eliminate ang y, di ba? Kay same naman sila o coefficient. So let's eliminate y. Again, ang pag-subtract or pag-add, tanawon lang nimo sa equations, ba? So since pareho sila positive, i-subtract na to. Equation 4, subtract ang equation 4 from 5. So 5 na minus 4. Yan. So if you will ask again, nga nung 5 minus 4, para ma-positive ang x, di ba? Kung i-subtract na to, 8 minus 7 man. Kung 4 minus 5 ka, 4 minus 5, pag subtract, ma-negative x, okay lang yapon. Di ba? Depende ra. Diskarte rin as a student. So, let's continue. Equation 5 minus 4, ma-cancel. And then 8 minus 7, x, 12 minus 11, and x equals 1. Okay. And since na-solve na we'll go back to substitution. We are going to substitute 1 either to 4 or 5 and to solve for y. So, sige, I will use 5. Substitute x equal to 1 into equation 5. So, this is equation 5. I will substitute 1 and then transpose the right side. And naka y equals 4. Diba? Okay. And since naanak kayo x ug y, okay. You substitute na sa dani mo. Substitute x equal to 1 and y equal to 4 into equations 1, 2, or 3. Mamili lang ka sa tulo ka equation. It will give you z equal to 3. And thus, x equal to 1, y equal to 4, and z equal to 3 is the solution to the simultaneous equations. So, in other words, pag 3 equations with 3 unknowns, i-eliminate nimo ang isa ka variable, and then another na yun, and then once ma-solve nimo itong isa ka variable, substitution na dahil. Bisan asa sa equations nga pwede. So, nga lang. Basta ang objective nimo pag elimination is pangitaan o paagi na magpareha ang coefficient sa variable nga gusto nimo i-eliminate. And then pag opposite sa log sign, i-add. Pag same sa log sign, i-subtract. Because ang imong gusto na is dapat ma-zero ang term or ma-eliminate ang variable. Okay? So, I hope na namoy na learn. So, especially sa katong wala pa kayo kasabot anin sa inyong senior high, I hope na nakatabang na ninyo. Okay, so thank you for watching, and again, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.